Module 16 test. This is the part 2. I'm going to show you the exponential functions off of the test, and then I will give you extra practice for that as well. This is the first problem that we have presented to us. How do I know it's an exponential form? Because there's an exponent. And when there's an exponent, the inverse of that would be logarithm. However, you must have the base alone before you do anything else. The base here is e. Only e has the exponent. That means the -3 has to go, and that means the 16's got to get out of there. And again, when you are following PEMDAS, when we know all of the numbers, we work forwards. We don't know something, we must work backwards. I must get rid of addition or subtraction first. So I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. 5 minus 16 is -11. So then I can get rid of multiplication or division. So I'm going to divide by -3. Now when you do that, you have a calculator on your phone that will do just fine for this. You get this decimal. That's fine. We've got e to the 2x equals. I'm just going to write 3.6 repeating for right now. It's in the calculator, but I'm going to write it. Now I cannot put e to the 2x because I don't know x. And with e, you need natural log. When you do natural log, it is special. It must be both sides. Always. So I'm going to write natural log e 2x equals natural log of 3.6. Repeating. I just took the natural log of what was there, natural log of what was there. The exponent comes out front, so that's 2x times the natural log of e, and that is all I've done. But you have to remember that when I type in the calculator natural log of e, the exponent right now is 1, you get a solution of 1, so this is really 1. 2x times 1 is just 2x. So if you want to skip all that when you're working on one of these problems, you see e, you know you're going to do the natural log of it. Cancel it out, just write your exponent. But you have to take the natural log of the other side. So I'm still on natural log of 3.6 repeating. So if you need a calculator, you come to tutorials and you use it. Or get out your phone, pull up your calculator, and turn it sideways. Do you see that there is a log on this screen? There's an e to the x, there is a log, and you have natural log. You can do anything you need. So right now, what I'm about to do is take the natural log of 3.6 repeating. So natural log 3.6, I just got to get a lot of 6's in there so it gets it. There's my answer. Now I need to divide that by 2. So I'm going to hit divided by 2, and it's going to get me 0. And it says, by the way, round to the thousandths. So 0.64. Uh-oh. 9's going to round up because of the 6. So what I really need to say is 0.650. Now, how do I know that I did that correctly? We can check it on the regular calculator. So, natural log of, let's do -11 divided by -3. So I'm going to say natural log of that answer, 1.29. I'm going to divide it by 2, and I'm at the same exact spot. Your phone will work these problems without any issues. If you want to use the graphing calculator, you are welcome. You come to tutorials or you do it when there is time in class for the exam review. You'll have to do the exam review at home on your own time. Second problem, that is exponential. 5 is the base because it has the exponent. This -7 has to go, so I'm going to add 7. So I've got 5 to the 2x minus 3 equals 5. Now, all whole numbers have an exponent of 1 on them. 5 to the 1, it's still 5. If the bases are the same, the exponents must be equal. So I say 2x minus 3 equals 1. Or you could have thought of it like this. After you add 7. You could have said, okay, I'm an exponential, I'm going to go to log. Log base 5 of 5 equals 2x minus 3. Again, when you type that into your calculator, log, oops, sorry, don't want log, math, log base 5 of 5. Look what they get you. So I've got 1 equals 2x minus 3. It doesn't matter which way you do this problem. The easiest way is notice the bases are the same, exponents are equal. So when I add 3, I get 4. Divide by 2. Exponential form. Get the base alone, go to log. Last problem that we're going to practice is this one right here. Notice it's in exponential form because I've got an exponent. That means the base is 10. So I'm going to subtract 4. So 10 to the 3x equals 125. Those are not the same base, so I cannot make the exponents equal. So I'm going to go to log. Log base 10, it's understood, of 125 equals 3x. Again, your phone will do this for you if you turn it. You're going to have to allow it to, clear. Okay, I need the log of 125. Log 125. There it is. And then my job is to divide by 3. So divided by 3. So x, rounded to the thousandths, is 6.9. This 8 becomes a 9 to round up. So there is my solution, which actually is right there on the paper because it was multiple choice. So the exponential extra practice that you need to do is not that. It is right here. Zoom out. You can freeze it so you can write these down. There's only 7 of these. You need to make sure that you show your work. You need to bring it in and have it checked. If that's during class time, that's fine. I will have a key ready, and then you will be allowed for the retake. So part 1 is logs, part 2 is exponentials, and you must have your review that we did before the test also completed and brought in. So you have 3 papers: log paper, exponential paper, review. Make sure that you show all 3.